This is going to be a quick unboxing video for this Sunvivi Dough Maker, and we're going to see what it comes with. And according to the reviews, we're probably going to note one thing that it doesn't come with. And here we go. This is the instruction manual. Pop my glasses on here. Safety information, specification, circuit diagram, parts, cleaning, maintenance. Okay. Instructions, recipes. Noodles, steam buns, pasta. Okay, here's one thing to note. This instruction manual does come with some recipes. Most of the reviews that I read said that it didn't come with any recipes, but I'm actually seeing that we've got a recipe in here for steamed buns, for making noodles, for making pasta, and for making bread. So we do, oh, and for making margarita pizza. So we got a pizza dough recipe, we got a bread recipe, we got a pasta recipe, we got a steam bun recipe. So there are recipes included with this. So that's one thing to note. And I will use the bread recipe to actually test this when I make a video for that. So right now, back to unboxing. We've got a little scoop for it. Little scoop. Here is our dough hook. It's just packing material. Lid. Mixing bowl. And the base. That is it. When you pull it out of the box, be sure that all of the feet come with it. This one foot was not attached to the bottom. It actually came out and fell in my lap. So just something to keep an eye out for. There we go. Boom, that just slips on there like that. We've got a little metal gear here and a metal gear here, which is nice. So that should mean that it is nice and sturdy. Dough hook goes right in. Lid and scoop. We've got a little cap here so that we can put our ingredients in while it is mixing. So, okay, that's what you get. And it's actually pretty nice. It's got a button for mixing. It's got a button for fermenting. So you can set it up to mix your ingredients and then ferment it. And it will do it all on its own. And you don't have to get involved other than adding the ingredients until your proof is done. So there you go. It does come with some recipes in the instruction manual, which is awesome because the first time I use this, I really do kind of want to use it exactly the way they intend it to be used. And then I can branch out from there. I'd rather not have any kind of fail in the beginning and wonder if it's my recipe or the way that I'm using it. So as long as I test it according to their recipe, everything should be good. So I hope this helps.